Imagine this. You finish your talk and throw the floor open for questions. You put this Q&A slide and look at the audience with an expectation to engage. But you hear a deathly silence. No one wants to say anything. Not a peep. It looks awkward. So you try to crack a joke and lighten up the situation. All you get in return are a few giggles, still no questions. You see, a good Q&A session is a critical step in winning presentations. It helps you secure a deal, helps you win a contract, it helps you in understanding objections of your audience, and even helps you establish a rapport. But it's not always easy to get the audience to engage right away. It's like starting a car on a cold winter morning. You need your audience to warm up for them to ask questions. For that, I use my trusted cloud seeding technique. Wonder what cloud seeding is? Let me tell you. In places where there is not much rainfall, they spread dry ice or silver iodide into the clouds to stimulate the precipitation process and form rain. I do my cloud seeding in a presentation with my set of commonly asked questions. Usually I keep it to 3 or 4. For example, I'd say, whenever I talk about the subject ABC, I usually get 3 big questions. The first question is, and then I reveal my question. And then I ask, do any of you have a similar question or a related question? Usually this gives them something to think about and the ball gets rolling. You can then take it forward by answering the question, then put up the second question and follow the same routine. Now, with a couple of questions asked and answered, your audience gets all warmed up and the engagement levels go up. Try this simple technique in your next presentation. Give your audience some cues to get warmed up. Do some cloud seeding by sharing some commonly asked questions. Then see how the meeting lights up. Let me know how it goes. If you like this simple tip, then you would really love our next video, which is 4 bad habits of business presenters. Just click on the link and watch the video. If you want to receive a 5-day free email course called 25 Creative Presentation Ideas, you can sign up on the link shown on the screen. I'll see you in the next video.